Hey everybody, welcome back. I got you in front of me, and I should have you over here, but that's okay. I have got a Dollar Tree haul, and I believe most of it is from Dollar Tree. I think there might be one or two from, actually no, it's all from Dollar Tree. There's only one thing from Walmart. So anyways, one of my last hauls, anyway, I was talking about these, I can't remember her name now, dang it, Country, with Tracy, I can't remember, anyway, she does a thing with these are from last year, or a year before last year, anyway, I got two of them because I knew I wanted to make her thing. So what she does, she took two of these and she cuts this part off of the other one, so it's 3D. And I bought this because this is supposed to go in the middle. I want to make the Christmas one. So she has a Halloween one, a Christmas one, and I can't remember, Thanksgiving, I think. I can't remember. Anyway, I wanted to do the Christmas one. It holds Christmas mail or mail, whatever. And I thought it would be fun to have, to like, if I get Christmas cards from anybody regarding YouTube or whatever, I can put them inside this. It's this cute little setup. Well, this, I thought this was the biggest one, and it's not. So the new one I got, they had more. This is the biggest one, and it will hold the cards. So obviously you take the cloth handle off, and you put it in here so it fits, and it'll hold everything. This is so I was excited that I found that, so I'll put this one inside that one. And I only have two of these. The ones that they have out now are different. I wish they'd come back with these ones. But I don't have an extra, so if I mess it up, I'm in trouble. So we are not working on that right now. I need to get this out of the way. I'm just going to set it right there for now. Then I got these. I thought, well, these look kind of cool. I said, what do you do with them? And I don't read labels. It's skeleton tongs. So if you're having a Halloween party and you're having a salad, this is the tongs. Isn't this cute? Oh my heck. It's not what I'm going to use it for, but that's okay. I'm going to use it as a decoration. But if I was going to have a Halloween party, this is a good idea. It's way cool. So I grabbed one of these. They had two left. I grabbed one of them. And I haven't bought a whole lot. I bought these, and for Halloween, what else did I buy? I bought that creepy cloth. I bought some of that cotton stuff you put out, webbing. And I bought napkins and plastic spoon, forks, and those two cups. I think that's all I bought. And I probably spent, I know it was under 20 bucks. So I didn't spend a lot this year, thank goodness. And yeah, so there's these. And then I cracked up laughing. When we go camping, when Jeff and his buddy go fishing, they go for 4 or 5 days before I go up. Well, his buddy brought up, there was this little black bottle in the bathroom. I'm like, what the heck is this stuff? And I'm reading it because I thought it was cologne, but it was awful little. It's that potpourri spray. And I just cracked up laughing. I'm like, are you kidding me? Anyway, it smells good. So I leave that one in the camper. Well, Ariel goes in the bathroom and it smells like a perfume factory when she comes out. And I'm like, what the heck are you doing in there? What stinks? So I told her, I said, don't waste your perfume anymore. And you're spraying way too much. I can either put a can of Lysol in there to use, or I was walking down the aisle. I don't remember which aisle I found this on. Excuse me. And I found these toilet bowl spray is what they call it. They had lavender and they had this lemon one. I grabbed two of them, one for our bathroom and one for her bathroom. So she can start using this in there instead of potent perfume. So I thought that was cool. I just cracked up laughing. I said, this will work. So I got to put this upstairs. but it gave me a little giggle. So this is for placemats. I grabbed 2 of them. Unless my Family Dollar has some cuter ones, I'm going to be making covers for my, and I didn't bring it down with me, my, it's a happy planner, in the one with the discs. Make new covers, because these will be perfect for that. And I have extra discs, so I can make another one, because there's something, I'm going to do another video about that. And yeah, so, okay. So stay tuned for that video. It's going to be an informational video. Actually, it's going to be 2 coming out, but anyway. So, some people are confused. I mean, this is my channel, my personal one. It's just my name, Laura M. Wood, or Laura Wood. And I do everything on here. Crafts, it's mostly craft stuff. I've added some planner things in it, because I have my scripture things I haven't done anything with, really. But it's right here. I mean, I have done, but I haven't done. You know what I mean? I haven't done more videos on that. And I'm doing my other planner, my yearly planner. I've explained all my planners and everything. And yeah, so, and you know, and makeup, beauty. So I've got, it's more lifestyle kind of stuff. You know, it's not just one thing. It's my whole life, what I do every day, you know, if not every day, most of the days. So I have some planner stuff, I have some craft stuff, I have some beauty stuff. You know, it's just, it's a little bit here and there. Anyway, there's no one thing that is on this channel. Now, my other channel is all just one thing. But anyway, I got these. Aren't they pretty? They're gray. They come on, I know, they're gray. They're dark gray, like my shirt. So I did get these, and I'm just going to set these right here next to my planner bag, because that's going to be an upcoming video for planners. And I got more in, is these storage boxes. They got a bunch more in. I got black ones. I usually use light colored for over there for that channel, and I needed more, but it's mostly boy stuff, so I just did black. So I did get a couple of these for over there. Okay, next. My kitchen is horrible. I went from, as a young mom, I went from sweeping and mopping my floor every single night to not. So, and it's just the 3 of us, and there's a couple of things I'm just dumbfounded with just the 3 of us here. And we got a cat, an inside cat, outside cat, and 2 dogs. But still, there shouldn't be all of this mess. So I'm like, why am I not? I feel like I'm all over the place. And so I was looking in my silverware drawer. The silverware drawer should be, you open it, you get what you need, you close it. Holy cow, it looks like a bomb went off in it. And my container that I have in there is a white one, but it expands. Well, it's broke. And there's all kinds of crud and everything else in it. And I'm like, this is, okay. Now I gotta wash all my silverware, take everything out of that drawer again, and clean it out. Well, I bought new thingies because I'm sick and tired of it breaking apart. And I do believe I can fit both of these, because it's a big drawer. And I think I can fit both of these in there and make it look nicer. And because the one I have now is white, maybe it won't look so bad when I go in there. I mean, it's just uncontrollable around here. It's just the 3 of us. I have to take a whole day to clean. And my house isn't that big. I have our room with a bathroom. We have the little hallway. We have the other bathroom. And we have an office. We have the living room, kitchen, dining room, her bedroom, and the new laundry room. That's it. It's not that big. The floor, I mean, it's not that big. It shouldn't be this difficult. If I could do it, I'd hire a maid so I wouldn't have to. I don't know. It's because I'm getting older. I just don't want to do it. Anyway, so last year, I don't think I ever filmed this or said anything about it. When we bought this house, there were old people living in it. Older people, like 70s, 80s. You know, as you get older, you don't do, you know, whatever. So all of a sudden, I'm like, the water's backing up. I'm like, what the heck? And Jeff spent a weekend. I'm glad he is so handy, because it probably would have been $10,000 to $20,000 for the fix. He had to redo the pipes in the house, because this isn't finished right here. So the pipes are all exposed. So all the drain pipes from the sink, from the wash machine, were backed up. There was no clean outs or nothing. So he had to cut sections and clean it out. And he just finally said, I'm just replacing it. So we replaced the whole piping underneath here. It was awful because of so much gunk. I don't know how long it was like that, and I have a garbage disposal, but it wasn't breaking down stuff. It wasn't breaking down and going out. So from then on, I buy these. I put them in the sink because Ariel's young, you know, she just dumps food in there or whatever. And we got two sinks. You got the disposal side, and then you have the other side. Well, both of these are in. Well, the ones I have in there now are horrid. And it's a good thing these are only $1. So I make sure that we use these. So no food goes down the drain. We just dump it in the... I have a little trash can by the sink, and every night it gets dumped. So that was fun. And then my little thingy, what is this, beater, whatever. I have like 3 of these things, and they break. I have a nice one from, what's it, Pampered Chef, and it all split right here. It all split right here. And so I'll just get a new one. And Ariel has a rainbow one that she uses for her stuff, and she has a purple one because she's into cooking. She's starting to get into cooking, so I bought her a little baker set. It has the mixing bowls, the measuring cups, and it had these. But I needed another one, so I have another one. So I got a black one. And then I was making something with spaghetti the other day, and I just take the spatula and kind of go like this, chop it up. Well, they had these at Dollar Tree. These little, I see chefs use them on, and you scrape it up or whatever. $1. I grabbed me one. So I have one of those. And then a new peeler. I have 3 of these things, and they suck. Well, at least the ones I have do. And so I bought a new one. So we can actually peel something without cutting my fingers. So I got those. So that goes all back upstairs. Then we got craft stuff. This is more geared towards my other channel, but that's okay. I'm going to show it on here. Like I said, I'm a crafty person. I do a lot of different craft stuff. I'm interested in there's a bunch of different stuff that I can do, you know. So one of which is knitting and crocheting. And for my little reborns over there, I should probably bring one over here so you guys can see it. I wanted to make, like, for 2 of them, the little minis that I have, I made a little blanket and a bonnet, little hat for them. And I'm like, I have blankets that were given to me. I have some of my crocheted or knitted blankets that I had from my real baby showers, you know, when they were younger, and I use them in there. But I have not made one for them, and I want to make one. So I grabbed 6 skeins of white from Dollar Tree, and this is not bad. You get 6 of these for $1, and if you go to Walmart for the same size, it's going to cost you close to between $3 and $5 a piece. So I grabbed white because I want to be able to make one that will go for boy or girly, whatever. So when I'm doing videos or taking pictures, I want it to look nice, you know. You're trying to sell these works of art, and you want them presentable, you know. You want to make them look good. So this is the only thing I got from Walmart this time, is I bought this yarn, and it looks like it's the same, the same thickness, you know what I mean? The same ounce. Let's see, same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So I've got to find my, oh, if I don't want to do, this one's crocheted, it looks like. That's kind of cute. They usually have a pattern on the inside, but I have some way back there in my knitting stuff, in my crocheting stuff. And I think I have a couple of hooks and stuff too. This one doesn't look that difficult, but something easy. So I want to make a blanket. It's a good thing to do, and it's getting colder out. It's a good thing to do. So anyway, there's my haul. A little kitchen and a little Halloween, a little fun with the poopery. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you don't like them, don't watch them. I got different playlists, so you can just go to the playlists and check them out or whatever, and just watch what you are interested in. If you like it all, then awesome. If not, then que sera, sera, right? So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.